folding phones are really making a splash right now. It's not just because they're stylish, but because the best folding phones offer something fresh compared to the usual glass rectangles we're used to. Even though the foldable phone market is still pretty niche, it's growing fast. Statista projects about 25 million foldables will be shipped worldwide in 2024, and that number is set to rise. According to the rumors, it features a 7.8-inch foldable LTPO3 AMOLED display with a 22:8 by 1840 resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The outside have a 6.3-inch AMOLED screen with a 2484 by 1116 resolution, also rocking a 120Hz refresh rate. Oneplus recently shared on X that the upcoming Oneplus Open Apex edition will include a new VIP mode. They highlighted that this mode will offer top-notch privacy, making it a key feature for those who value security. Aside from the fresh crimson shadow color and the VIP mode, Android Headlines doesn't anticipate major changes with the OnePlus Open Apex edition. However, it might offer upgraded RAM and storage options. The OnePlus Open Apex edition being priced around $1,699. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is turning heads in the foldable phone world. It's lighter and slimmer than many competitors, featuring a sleek design that folds flat for an even better user experience. With an impressive 8-inch internal display, it's perfect for multitasking, while the 6.3-inch front screen is suitable for quick checks. IT boasts an improved brightness of up to 2,700 nits and a new hinge that allows it to open fully flat. Battery life is solid with a 4,560 mAh capacity, and you can get it with up to 512 GB of storage. Priced at $1,799, it's a great option for anyone looking for a top-tier foldable phone. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold will likely cost $1,799 for the 256 GB model and $1,919 for the 512 GB version. In 2023, Samsung dominated the foldable phone market by shipping over 10 million units. With the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6, Samsung aims to maintain its lead by addressing the biggest issue with foldables: durability. If you're worried about longevity, these phones are top picks thanks to their sturdy design. Both models boast 7 years of software and security updates, a new dual hinge for better durability, and an IP48 rating for protection against foreign objects. They're powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with 12 GB of RAM. Plus, the 50MP main and 12MP ultra-wide cameras ensure your photos are sharp and stunning. Samsung has also packed in a bunch of AI features, and my favorite is AI Portrait Studio. It lets you take selfies and turn them into AI-generated portraits in fun styles like watercolor, sketch, 3D cartoon, and comic. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a 6.3-inch 120Hz OLED cover screen that opens up to a 7.6-inch 120Hz OLED display. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 features an upgraded hinge with a 3.4-inch OLED cover screen that unfolds into a 6.7-inch 120Hz 1080p OLED screen. Are you after Samsung phones on sale? You can grab the Galaxy Z Fold 6 starting at $699.99, down from the usual $1,899.99, while the Z Flip 6 is available from $549.99 instead of its regular $1,099.99. Do you find yourself constantly flipping between apps? The OnePlus Open bursts with some of the best multitasking features in a foldable phone tablet. When I talked to someone using the OnePlus Open about switching back to a regular phone, they said the multitasking capabilities are a big reason they're sticking with it. They love the expansive screen and the split screen feature, which lets them use 2 apps at once without one getting lost behind the keyboard. It's all about convenience. What's more? The OnePlus Open sports Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip and 16 GB of RAM. This makes playing heavy-duty games like Call of Duty, Mobile, and Diablo Immortal a breeze. You'll enjoy seamless, lightning-fast performance, whether you're gaming or juggling multiple apps throughout the day. The camera setup is impressive too, with a 48-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 64-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. You're all set to capture sharp, vibrant photos and videos. However, there are a few downsides. There's no wireless charging and it only has an IPX4 water resistance rating, so you'll want to be cautious around water. Additionally, many people report delays with OnePlus's repair services, which is something to keep in mind. You can get it around $1,699.99. The new Razr and Razr Plus are Motorola's third-generation foldable flip phones. They both feature larger front screens compared to previous models, but the Razr Plus takes it a step further with a 4-inch display, while the Razr sports a 3.6-inch screen. Personally, I like the bigger screen on the Razr Plus because it lets you see more at a glance. When it comes to performance, the Razr Plus is the clear winner. It's equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, offering all the great features from its predecessor, like impressive generative AI, gaming capabilities, top-notch sound, and camera tech. On the other hand, the Razr, being the more budget-friendly option, runs on MediaTek's Dimensity 7300X chip, so it doesn't quite measure up in terms of performance. Both the Razr and Razr Plus allow you to use the primary cameras even when the phone is closed, and the ultra-wide lens is particularly useful for quick selfies with friends and getting a preview of your shots. While the standard Razr still includes this ultra-wide lens, its photos might be a bit more processed and it can struggle with motion and low light. Though Motorola hasn't yet reached the pinnacle of camera performance, they've definitely made significant strides. The Razr is available for $699.99, while the Razr Plus costs $899.99. Google's Pixel Fold is the company's debut into foldable phones, featuring a tablet-like screen inside. This large display offers a world of possibilities, from snapping photos to watching videos, with various setups at your fingertips. Users are raving about its sturdy build and the smooth transition between tablet and phone modes. The buzz around its selfie capabilities is strong, with many claiming it's the best they've ever seen on a phone. With a total of 5 cameras, 1 on each display and 2 on the back, the Pixel Fold ensures you have the right tool for every shot. The front camera is 9.5 megapixels, while the internal one is 8 megapixels. Powered by Google's custom Tensor G2 chip, the Pixel Fold runs on a special version of Android 13 tailored for foldable phones. This includes split-screen multitasking and a handy taskbar. Users love how the Tensor G2 chip handles tasks effortlessly and how the generous memory keeps apps open and accessible. You can pick up the Google Pixel Fold directly from the official website for $1,799. So, now that you've checked out the best foldable phones, are you ready to make a choice? There's a bunch of fantastic options out there, each bringing something unique to the table. Whether you're into durability, advanced multitasking, or standout cameras, today's foldables have it all. And don't forget, there's even more cool gear coming soon. Be sure to swing by our catalogs of the top Google and Oneplus gadgets to catch the latest releases.